Hello guys, today we have a very interesting topic to do is describe when you make a dish. And for this dinner I have a special dish, and let's see what I have today. Firstly, I want to introduce with you the ingredients that I prepare. As you can see, I have a bowl of black chicken. I clean it by white and salt, and I added ginger and spicy after that. Next, you can see the next bowl is lotus seed, and beside it is the herbal. All of these ingredients will make the dish more sweet with the natural sweet. And the final ingredient is mugwort. So now can you guess what my dish today is? I think that you already know that I'm talking about stewed sweet herbal chicken soup. Now let's begin cooking. At the first step, I'll put all the half of the mugwort into the saucepan with a little oil and salt together. Then I mix it up. After that, I place the chicken above the mugwort. Then the herbal and the lotus seed. And the top layer is the mugwort. I pour about 700 ml water to the saucepan. Then I boil it with the max capacity. Wow, let's see, it already boiled. I will reduce the capacity now and continue to for 30 minutes. Ta-da, I've finished. Seems like it's not delicious as I expected, but I think it's okay to eat. Moreover, all ingredients I use are good for health. So today I tried a new recipe. I hope you will like it. Thank you.